Hello guys. Buongiorno, Velu. Buongiorno. Come va? So, as of now, we are watching Nifty. So, Nifty is trading below this line. It has already given the breakdown, but the fight is on here. Let me add one indicator for me, which is this tab, then volume. And I will just change the setting of this tab. Instead of 25, I will put only 10. I don't need these whole things. So far, so sellers are there. Selling is going on. So this could be one scenario. Like it will kind of cup and handle, but in the opposite way. First it made the handle, now it test, and then it can break down till this zone. This could be one scenario. So from here, it will be either side, up and down. If it goes up, then it can goes up to select this, to test this zone or this trend line. Hello Sudhanshu, hello Deepak, welcome all. So I will show you one trick. First, let's see what are the option data. So option data is losing the strength. OI chain of Nifty and Bank Nifty both are losing the strength here. It's going down. As of now, both are losing the strength. They are in the positive. So there could be one PE game for sure in this range. But still I will prefer that the PE can be again a counter trade because data is still in positive zone. So this could be one retracement. Since I woke up at 12 o'clock Indian time, I mean Italy as of now. So I started to record from this point. I don't know what happened earlier before this, like it was on the negative and then went up, or it was positive and in the morning it's reducing. But looking at the Nifty, it looks like it went up and now it's coming down. Like here it is going up and coming down, but here Nifty is also losing some strength. So let's check what is happening in the Bank Nifty. So if we check for the Bank Nifty is rejecting from 43,000 level range, and as of now looks like kind of on 5-minute time frame, kind of head and shoulder. But if we see the total retracement that it can give, almost 100 point it can go down. So maybe it can come to retest this level 43,839 and 43,840. Let's see how it works out. In the meantime, let's see what it will show for the option chart. Give me a minute, I will load the option chart. Or how is it going, everyone? Everything is good so far for today? Yeah, so we can see now this is our option chart. So if you remember my strategy for the option, it will be like applying as of now stochastic RSI, 13 EMA and 200 EMA. So as of now we are watching on 5 minutes, but let's go on the 3-minute time frame and we will see what is it happening. So there is a chance of reversal in this call option 43,000 CE, because stochastic RSI is showing very at the bottom. So there could be one quick up move, and if we apply one pattern of this trend line, so we might see one breakout of this. First target could be this 13 EMA range, 21 to 20 range. Next could be this 33. This is 200 EMA on 3-minute time frame. So let's check if this this stochastic RSI is at the bottom in multiple time frame or not. So we are watching at 3 minutes. So 3 minutes, it's also on the bottom. On 5 minutes, if we check, so let's see on the 5 minute what is it doing. It's also on the bottom on the 5 minute. And if we check on the 15 minutes, so on the 15 minutes is also on the bottom. So there could be the possible scenario of a reversal in this 43,000 CE for the quick scalping and counter trade, because this is very out of the money, but it is like a hero zero that you can play out for today. Yeah, well, I'm watching FYERS as of now because so far I'm loading the chart quickly in FYERS. Otherwise, not a fan of trading in FYER. Let's see what is Nifty is doing. The charts are loading in FYERS. So let me see what is Nifty doing. Nifty has taken the reversal, and here we are watching some buyers position, but some big orders of reds are also coming for the selling. So this candle has to close above this. It will go to test this range, and maybe from here it will reject. So for Nifty, if you have to watch, so it is running at 18,375 range, so 18,400 PE, and 18300 CE will be on the radar to trade for. So let me load 18300 and 18400. So this is still going down. So we will wait. We will not go in a hurry to get entry quickly. So 18400 PE. Let's see where is it going. So 5 minute. So 5 minute is showing that maybe it will reject 18400 PE from here, from 13 EMA. But if it is sustained above this, then it has a chance that it will reverse from here and it will try to go up. So we will wait and watch for this PE as well. And let me see 18,000, sorry, 43,000 PE for Banknifty. So on 5 minute, it is already above this 13 EMA. So it is as of now strong. And I can see one triangle pattern here in RSI. This is without watching levels. If you don't know how to watch the level and want to take a risk for trade, so this will help you on expiry day. So this is on 5 minute. If I apply on 15 minute, so 15 minutes, this 15-minute candle didn't close above 13 EM and stochastic RSI is very much high. So there will be surely one chance that it will come down. So let's see. As of now, none of this thing is giving any entry signal. Looking for 43,000 PE and 43,000 CE as of now. But this is very much out of the money. So let's see what is happening in 42,800. So this is this is hanging around 200 EMA on 5 minute time frame. So now we need just one candle to close above it, but the target will be very quick to reach till here. And if we have to check the levels, then I will go on 15-minute time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, this high is 88.80, could be one support, and this 99 could be one support on 15 minutes. So as of now, it is just hovering around this swing low, and stochastic RSI is also down. So let's say if you don't want to play in 43,000 C, which is going to give the time decay, so I will prefer to trade in 42,800 CE if you are looking for a bullish sentiment. Better to go in the money than going into out of the money. 18350 by supported by 200 EMA, and it's close about 13 EMA time frame. 18350. Okay, let's check 18350. Generally, I'm not a fan of 50 range. 18350. So I have added 18350. So this comes the Fin Nifty. 18350 Nifty. Yeah, so far it gave the closing about 13 EMA. So what you can do, you can accumulate between 33 to 36 with stop loss of 29.80. So there are chance that it will blast from here. It made the double top pattern here. So it was like that and gave the breakdown, and the stochastic RSI came below this. So you can accumulate this with really strict stop loss in between these moving averages. It need the follow-up candle, but the follow-up candle could be like very quick blast as well. But if we see on a 15-minute time frame, let's see what is that signal. So 15-minute, there could be a chance that it will again come down for more below. But since if we are watching for the scalping, so I will prefer to watch 3 minutes time frame. In the meantime, this 43,000 C is flying. So about to give the breakout, and it will soon give the breakout of this. So let's focus on this. I have entered in the meantime over here 14.5, and right now look at the way it is moving. This is only for expiry without watching your Nifty or Bank Nifty chart. Just watch the value of the Bank Nifty. So you can take like 14,000 rupees, add 1,000 quantity, take 5 points. As soon as it touches, exit. And let's see what is happening with 43,000 PE. So as I told you, sorry, this is on 5 minutes. The triangle shape was on the 5 minutes. So you can see the triangle is breaking down. And on 15 minute, I told you that it is having 13 EMA, so better to book partial profit. And look at the value now, 99. I was saying that to book the profit here earlier, and in 5 minute time frame, it has given the breakdown. So those who have take the trade in CE can book partial profit on 3 minute time frame. And if you want to hold, then hold for the target of 24 range on 5 minute time frame. So 3 minute already touching 13 EMA, and it already gave the breakout. So you have to prejudge once you get to know, get practice of this. Wait, let me book some profit. Okay, I booked partial profit, and now I am holding with further quantity. So if you practice this more, watch this RSI, you will be able to trade like a scalping quickly on expiry day, because premiums will be cheaper and you will be able to get more quantity. But this is far out of the money, 43,000 CE. So the movement is, you can expect till here. Why to make it zero? Because if it is come reverse, then it will quickly coming reverse in your direction. Let's say 42,800. We are watching at 42,800. So 42,800 is keep on blasting, and 18,350 we were accumulating in this zone. So from here to here, it gave you 40, sorry, almost 6-7 points. But here you can go with crazy quantity. But let's watch this 43,000 CE. If this candle doesn't give the follow-up to close above this, then I will book most of the profit. Or right now my stop loss is at 11, because I would like to add again at 12, because we are watching on 3 minutes. If I watch on 5 minutes, the candle is still going on, I think. Yeah, the candle is not closed. So 5 minutes will give you more idea. But on expiry, if you are trading in OTM, I will prefer to trade out of the money for 3 minute time frame. Quick in and quick out. Enjoy your profit. So still hugging around this 13 EMA. So look at the high, almost touch your 13 EMA. No matter what, you have to exit your position or book partial profit if you are with very heavy position. It made a hammer and quick up. Like here it was also like quick hammer and up. But at that time we were not noticing this trend line. So this trend line breakout is already there, and once it sit above this, could be blast, and we can expect 27 and 33 as our target. But if we watch on 5 minutes, so 5 minutes at least you have to book some more profit near 20 to 23. And 15 minutes if you watch, then it will be giving you good money. But since this is out of the money as of now, so decay will be there. So for your 15, this is ultimate target is also showing at 30 rupees. And on 15 minutes, once it start to trade about 30, then there are possibility to trade till 55 and even 66. But as of now, Bank Nifty is already below 43,000. So better to stay cautious in this far out of the money, because this is now giving you signal to it is too much over. So let me book some more profit in my trade. at 21.20 I booked some more, and I'm holding still some more quantity. Let's see. Now I will put my stop loss on cost to cost. 14 point 14, yeah, exact 14.20. I will keep the stop loss at 14.20. So at least I book some profit and I'm not losing money in it. Let's see what Nifty is doing now. So Nifty gave the breakout, going to test this trend line or this resistance zone. And what is it? Bank Nifty up to? Let me watch Bank Nifty. Yes. So Bank Nifty trying to sustain above this, or you can say testing this level. Let's see how this candle is going to give. If it is giving closing above the high of this candle, or at least the high of this candle, then it has a chance to recover it. I can see a small trend line here, just a temporary. A kind of a channel is also there. If I remove and apply a channel, so one channel it is there, which is making lower highs and lower lows. So trend recent is down. So look, it is still stuck to this 13 EMA. So this strategy of 13 EMA, 200 EMA and stochastic RSI on 3 minute is mainly applicable to you to trade on expiry day, especially after 1:30. This will be like if you are capable of going a large quantity and small points. So now it is started to reject from here. One candle give the closing, but need the follow up of this candle to close above 13 EMA. And if you see on the 5 minute, it will be exactly touching 13 EMA. So 5 minute is still below 13 EMA. 5 minute is still going to give the breakout. So for 5 minutes, there is this trend line. As of now, I can see. So let's hold this trade with cost to cost as a stop loss, but don't forget to book partial profit. At least take something out from here rather than going out with zero profit and giving just the brokerage charge. And for 15 minutes, it still need 5 more minutes to close. So let me make this for the 15 minute. So this is for only scalping, not to keep it with you for a lifetime. Whatever it gives you, accept with your both hands open. So for 15 minutes, it can give you a target of 10 more points, and it is still trying to go up, but let's see if it is managed to do this. And what is 43,000 P is doing here? Let me check. So this is on the top. It is trying to cross down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth candle, which is now going below 13 EMA. So 1, 2, 3. 3 candles is almost near 13 EMA on 15-minute chart. And let's see what is it doing on 5 minute. So 5 minute it looks attractive from here. It is still going down. It gave the breakdown of this triangle pattern, and that's why you will exit it. So now wait for it to close above this 13 EMA, then you can again re-enter in 13,000 for, sorry, 43,000 PE for scalping. So 43,000 PE is in the money, and it is on 3 minute also going on the bottom. Stochastic RSI is on the bottom. So another secret is that if it makes the double bottom, then it will be perfect to enter with accumulating and keeping the stop loss of lowest swing recently. So this is just now recent swing, but before that you see this is the lowest swing recently. Let's say if you are entering here, so your lowest swing will be here. Like here it made the double top and then it fell down, but again it regained. So same, if it is making double bottom, then it will regain. So 43,000 CE and PE are on the watch. Let's see what is it doing with 43,000 CE. So it made the red candle on 3 minute, but again jumped up to 20. Let's prefer 5 minutes as of now, because it will also give the proper idea. Yeah. So it went down till 17.70 rupees. Our stop loss is at cost to cost 14.20. This is my stop loss on 14.20, and I booked almost 70% of my position here, and I would like to add if it crosses above it. Boom, blast. Book profit at 22 on 5 minute time frame. Little bit book profit 22.40. You can book profit here, and from there you can expect for target of 32. So on 5 minute it was giving you sign to book the profit because it touched 13 EMA. No matter what, you have to book profit. Another secret of this is like you have to mark 60. So stochastic RSI 60 and 40. Why 60 and 40? So there are chance that it will move from here opposite side, like it will face or take the resistance or support from this range. So if you see here, it faces resistance for 40, here it faces resistance for 60. So let's say you are watching on 5 minutes. So if it is touching 40 and it is near 13 EMA, you will book partial profit. If it is even going above 13 EMA and if it is touching for 60, you will book partial profit as well. Look, now it made the kind of reversal pattern now. The candle is going to reverse. And the same signal was there on 3 minute time frame. So let's see what is going. It is so far sustaining 13 EMA. So it will maybe come down, come till 60 and also jump back. So if you keep this much of simple, then it will be pretty much easy for you to take the trade without watching any levels. Look, the 60 was making the support, one boom and then down to 40, and from 40 again it moved quickly. But the price didn't move because VIX was very slow since last 2 days. So this is also a risky trade, but now there is no fresh entry in this. The fresh entry was already there. So if you want to book the profit, you can book the profit, and don't want to give the stop loss, then you can exit it. So this was a quick scalping in 43,000 CE. Now let's watch for 43,000 PE because it was also down at the bottom in 3 minute time frame. Guys, do like the video if you find this some interesting to learn. because I was not able to give this strategy properly on I think any video. Like some of the secrets of stochastic RSI were missing in that video. So let's see first Bank Nifty chart as well. What Bank Nifty chart is doing in the meantime. Yeah, it is on the channel. Let me post this in the Telegram group. Okay, so Bank Nifty is still on the breakout. If you want to see Nifty, let's see Nifty, what is it doing? So Nifty is still facing the rejection from the trend line and this zone. So there are chances that now if it break down this, then it could go down. It has to at least come above this zone. The bottom level is 18,385. At least it has to cross this. Otherwise, below this trend line, it will be keep on rejecting it. So in the meantime, we will just check the OI data as well, because option premium are sluggish, moving up and down 1 or 2 rupees. So here we see still losing the strength and keep on going down. So this could be scenario like if you see on the these towers, 42,900 is having as of now more PE writer, and 42,800 is having strong PE writing, and 18,300 is having more PE writing, and 18,350 is also having more PE writing. And look at our in the meantime, look at the profit in your so now this PE is going to make the double bottom on 3 minute time frame. Let me quickly load the chart. So look at this, it is flying high now, 43,000 CE. So we almost captured 10 points. It didn't come to take our stop loss. If we go on a 5 minute time frame, we are flying high and high 25 now. So this candle will give the closing. Don't forget to book partial profit. It is going in 5 minute above zone. Book the profit even on 15 minute time frame. You have to be quick in booking the profit. On 15 minute time frame, we will wait. We will wait for this breakout. If you want to accumulate with strict stop loss till 18. Sorry, you can accumulate in between uh, 21 to 18.65, but now you will accumulate very less quantity than the previous trade, because you already have this 10 rupees of extra move in this out of the money option. So if you are waiting for this 15-minute breakout, then it will be better. Like if you are a safe trader, wait for this to go above this 13 EMA and give this breakout. Then it will be crazy rocket, and maybe we will mark and book the profit on each swings. So first swing will be 40 rupees, second swing will be 52, and then 67, and ultimate will be over 200 EMA. And in the meantime, let's see what is happening with 43,000 PE. So 53,000, sorry, 43,000 PE is still reject, like look at the rejection from 13 EMA. And now it's, if it is going to break the day's low, which is 72, then forgot this put option. Come on this 43,000 PE. Sorry, 43,000 CE. Now it will do the time pass. It is about to make the double top. So as per the rule, keep on booking the profit. If you are trading in 3-minute time frame, you will get a lot of chance to buy on dip as well, because we are planning in 3 minutes. Look, 27. Other people who are watching can also comment if they have any question or they find this learning a bit useful. Anyone have a question for any stock as well can ask. Look, the rejection. That's why I told you better to book. It is about to make double top in 3 minutes, and this is about to make double bottom on 3 minutes. So it went to take the SL. It made the low of 71.55. So whoever have bought this with the stop loss to the day's low, those stop loss are taken out. This is for 3 minutes, and let's watch for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is also on the bottom. So let's wait for this candle to close. So now we will watch on PE trade as well. 15 minutes is still far more above, very much above, while 15 minute here is pretty down. So that's why better to book the profit. And on 15 minute, the 13 EMA came closer. This candle made high of 28, and 13 EM is now at 29. So hope you understand the magic and the strength of 13 EM. I don't know how it works, but it works 13 EM. So now, as of now, PE will be flying. And this is for you value 18,350. This has still good opportunity to blast. I'm not watching any chart. I'm only watching the chart of option as of now. Forget the chart of Nifty Bank Nifty as of now after 130. Just watch the option chart and trade based on it. Let's see. All CE are now about to hit their RSI on the top, like 18400 CE is also about to hit the top. 43,000 now again flying. Call is flying, but we are not interested as of now. If you are still holding with 14, you can hold it. Mehul bhai, welcome. So this is still flying high. 43,000 call option. But I would not take the trade as of now, because here there are chances that it can come back, because the time decay will be very quick in this. On 15 minutes it looks interesting. As far as of now, this EM is also moving because it is exponential. So if it is going up, so the EMA will be also reacting with the price, current market price. This you can also apply same in the stock as well. Nifty rocket, absolutely. Let me load Nifty chart. Let me load Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is giving breakout and Nifty rocket. Yeah, I told you, 18350 still looks interesting to hold it. 18350. On 5-minute time frame, it is also giving the breakout. So if you remember, I told you that 18400 from 16 to 18 rupees range, there are a lot of new sellers. So if this candle goes above this, then this can blast. You will not able to control it. But as of now, sellers are still active between 16 to 18 rupees zone, and also 18 there is a profit booking level on 5-minute, which is 200 exponential moving average. So there are chance that again it will be sitting on this and it can blast. So from 6 rupees it went to 18 rupees because it was on the bottom. And let's say if you are planning with the 3-minute time frame, so you will able to capture and accumulate till 6 rupees. You can capture and accumulate if this is RSI staying flat. So you have to be careful and keep on accumulating, but I will still not suggest. I don't know why this is showing like this, but let's watch 18350. Better to trade in the money. So I gave you this trade to accumulate between 35 to 34, 36, 33 range. I think I gave you, yeah, here to accumulate between these two EMA. At that time, this EMA was down, but since the price moved up, so it is going up. So it gave you almost 20 to 18 to 20 points quick move. So let's say if you have 35,000 rupees, you added 1,000 quantity. So you get 20,000 or 80,000, 18,000 in this move. Now it will move, I think. It will still move a bit. 68, it looks like from this chart on FYERS. It can go to touch 67, 68. And in the meantime, look at the Nifty. Nifty is giving breakout. Now, if it comes to test this trend line, then it will be again new blast. And look at the value here. Now the sellers are trying to sell more here. And also this will include some buyers who wants to book the profit here, because 18,400 is pretty much call writer there, so they will still try to bank more one time. But if it is come down, then watch out for trend line, it takes the support, or watch out for this 386 as your support to re-enter in the call again. But from here, as of now, wait this candle to close to enter in any new CE. Sorry, any new PE or CE from here. Wait for this candle to close. And if you are already in CE or call, then better to book some profit here. And what is Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty is already giving the breakout and moving higher. If this high of 42,984, 986, if it is taken out, then 43,033 will be the next level to watch out to book the profit. 43,000 CE. Anyone holding with 14 rupees cost to cost stop loss? Now, if you ask me for 15 minutes, you will see some different thing here now. It is giving the breakout, but wait for this because 4040 level of stochastic will be working as a resistance. So no matter what, you have to book profit. There is no possibility, no one will know that how much above it can go, how much short covering it can come, what target can it give. So we almost catch the bottom from 1420, and now I'm booking some more position at 27. I had two orders, one was MIS, so I will book the MIS order now. And we'll hold the MIS order for this EMA. If it is closing above EMA, then I will let it fly and I will trail my stop loss to from 14 to 20 rupees. If it takes 20, I will be happy, I don't mind. But now one thing is interesting is 43,000 PE. On 15 minutes, it's still going slowly down. But on 5 minutes, you will see maybe it will make some double bottom. On 5 minutes, it has not made the double bottom. On 3 minutes, the stochastic RSI will be flat. Keep on making it. So not an entry for this as of now. If I watch 14,000 put option, 18,400 put option, so it looks lucrative. Sorry, it looks attractive to enter in it. Let's watch. On 5 minutes, no, not yet. 5 minutes is also not giving signal, so we will wait because it will again maybe reject. Is there any pattern on 3 minutes? No, not yet. Wait for this 5 minute candle to close. And let's watch what is the Nifty is doing. So Nifty trying to sustain above this. So short covering can be C is 0. Yes, Mehul bhai. I don't know. There is a, I think, a bit of a lag, time lag between what I speak and what my chart is showing. There is a bit of a delay in streaming. So Nifty trying to come back. If someone wants to take the put, they can take with the stop loss of 406. Or if you want to decide what could be the stop loss, so you go to the average true range, this indicator, apply average true range, and if you are watching on the 5 minute time frame, so as of now average true range over here, it is showing 7.36. So your stop loss will be 7.76 or 7 point or 8 points above the high of this level. So it is showing the high is 406. So if you add, so it will become 415, and then you can enter into the put with 1 raised to 1.7 as your first target. The risk reward will be 1 raised to 1.7. Let's say just an example. So this will be very small trade, and I think it will come to the, so this is high and the ATR shows 7.4, so we will keep as a 8 more. So 406 to 416, and your target will be 1 raised to 1.7, 1 raised to 1.7. So this could be your PE. This could be your PE trade, but this is there coming to test the trend line. Let's see what is PE doing. So PE fly high on 3-minute time frame. It flied quickly on 3-minute. Good scalping opportunity was there for scalping. And this 43,000 CE is now making triple top. Maybe come down to 60 and again from there it can bounce back. Like 43,000 PE is now on the verge of breakout to give about 13 EMA, because now this scenario is to go up, and we will again put 40 and 60, 40 and 60. Then you will see how 40 and 60 are working in stochastic RSI. The settings of stochastic RSI standard, there is no change in stochastic RSI settings. Let's see what is Nifty up to. Yeah, it tests the trend line, and now it has to just close above this zone to go bullish. If you are trading with the spot price chart and then you are taking the trade, then you have to consider the proper price action to close above and below. But if you are not watching anything on Banknifty or Nifty, you are just watching the value and to select the strike price. So you can just directly jump onto the chart and then you will apply this simple strategy to watch it. So 18,500 PE will be blasting because it will be in the money. It can give you more points. Rejecting from 13 EMA. So this is 18,500 PE as of now, rejecting from 13 EMA. And this stochastic RSI is moving quickly. So this was the small move for the PE. Let's keep eye on Nifty. So far it is testing this trend line again and again. I will remove this ATR. So hope everyone get the idea of ATR, what is average true range, and how it will be used for you to put the stop loss. Also, let's see. Generally, on expiry, it is not proper OI data signal. Like the OI data will not give the proper signal once you have the expiry and it is already after 2 o'clock. Because if you see on this, now it is moving. This OI is moving down and down. So there could be chance that after 2 o'clock there are quick changes in your in the option position. So most of the option seller will be booking the profit, and most of the option seller will be adding some more position in different positions. So after 2 p.m. generally this will not give the proper idea or proper signal. So mostly I will avoiding this thing after 2 o'clock. Let's watch 43,000 CE is still in the game, coming to test 60, and but it is trading below 13 EMA. So maybe let it go till 40. So there can be one chance that it can jump. But this was clear breakout, give you the target and exit. And let's see in the P if there is any gain. On 3 minutes, P is already flying high from the bottom. Quick scalping of 8 points, I think it gave. Sorry, only 4 points. 13 to 21. Yeah, almost 9 points it gave, but you won't get exact exit at 21 or something like that. If you do the market swipe, it will always give you 20-30 paisa lower. But this 43,000 PE is now ready to go. So if you are getting more experience and you are able to watch this chart with the spot chart, then you will feel more advanced to take more trade. Like here it made the triple bottom, while 43,000 call made the triple top. 1 2 3 triple top. So it was obvious that now no matter what, you have to exit the trade and trail your stop loss, or be a bit cautious. Here I can see a bearish flag and pole breakdown, and for 43,000 put, 3 minutes, one closing is above it. It is above 60 as of now, stochastic RSI. So previous time it faced the resistance while it was going up, when it was even above 13 EMA, and then went down quickly. So anyone have any question, do let me know. So far this is all the things that I want to explain you about how to trade with expiry option strategy. Thank you, Velu. So this was the thing that I was telling you, some secrets of stochastic RSI and the patterns in stochastic RSI. So hope it will be quick and easy to understand those secrets, like on different time frame you can choose. So no problem, no problem. I will be also ending the stream for a bit of a break. I will have breakfast and then I will be joining after a few minutes at the closing. Maybe we will be able to catch some 3 p.m. move. Yeah, I was telling that better to use the strategy, better to use this strategy on expiry. But if you still want to do this strategy on any stock or any other option, like before expiry, so you will use 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. If you are using this strategy on Monday and Tuesday, better to use it with 15-minute time frame. Especially on Friday, you have to strictly use it with 15-minute time frame. But once you get experience with watching the charts on the spot price and the stock option chart or index option chart, you will be able to make decision from 5-minute time frame as well. So see you guys. I will be back maybe after 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I will quickly have some chai and biscuits. I'm hungry as of now. So I will be back soon. I will be ending this stream as of now, and then we will join again for the closing. Bye. Bye everyone.